You spend good money on email software. I don't care where you get it, it's not cheap. You could be landing in spam for just some simple reasons that you can totally avoid. So I'm gonna give you 3 right now. Watch the entire video, and at the very end I'm going to give you a bonus for free so that you can make sure you don't land in spam anymore with any of your email campaigns. The number 1 reason is misleading subject lines. Using deceptive subject lines that don't match the email content can trigger spam filters. This seems like a basic thing. You know, your subject line should match what's inside the email. I mean, at least give a hint of what it is. And at the end with that bonus, I'm going to get into a little bit of framework that you can use. There's specific formulas that are going to attract people to open your email and also get them to click within. So what you're trying to do is, like, not only do you want to get it delivered, right now we're trying to keep it out of spam, then we're trying to get them to open it, not by misleading them with a misleading subject line, and then once they open the email, we want them to read it so that they click our call to action, whatever it is, whatever we're trying to get them to do, which is going to lead them to a sale. Number 2 is lack of personalization. Sending generic, impersonal emails increases the likelihood of being marked as spam by recipients. And this is something you got to be very careful with if you're using any kind of AI email generator. I always recommend that when you use LeadScripts to generate your emails, and it does such a fantastic job, because we're going to ask you a few questions about your product or service. We're going to generate over 80 plus details. We're going to walk you through a simple wizard that's going to generate your customer persona, that buyer persona. You're going to have the pains, the fears, the dreams, the desires, the location, all this information, so that whenever LeadScripts builds your emails, it uses that information. It makes it specific and unique to you, to your product, to your service, to your audience. So it's speaking directly to them. So if you use another AI generator, or you're using any AI generator, you should still read it and make it more personal for the person. And I'm not saying that you have to call them out by name, but you can add those tokens within your email program, and that actually helps whenever they're reading this information. The third one is really a no-brainer. It's the failure to include an unsubscribe link. Not providing a clear way for recipients to opt out violates anti-spam laws and triggers spam filters. It triggers it immediately. It's a simple thing. You think, oh, I don't want my list to go down. I don't want to lose a person from my list. But honestly, in LeadScripts, we encourage you to unsubscribe if you don't want to receive the email, because when you get hundreds of thousands of people on your email list, guess what? It's expensive to send an email. It's like the old mail. You used to have to buy a stamp. Well, now you have to pay to send these emails. So you want people to have that option to unsubscribe, because sometimes they'll come and they'll be very interested in what you're offering, and then, you know what, they get out of it. They go and do something else, so they just want to unsubscribe. But you don't want them to submit a complaint. And Google and Gmail and all that Gmail makes it easy now. So make sure you include an unsubscribe link. Now, as a bonus for getting to the end of this short video, I have a link down below that you can click on. You're going to get the top 10 reasons why emails land in spam. And like I said, the first part of this is getting the email delivered. The second part is getting somebody to click on the email subject line, making sure that subject line creates enough curiosity that somebody wants to click it so they'll read it. Third part is the email itself, and then getting them to take the call to action. So anyway, I'm Craig from LeadScripts, and stay tuned for some more videos about this. If you're looking for more leads, and leads lead to sales, there are formulas for this. There are proven formulas and frameworks that work. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're advertising or sending email. Now, we're talking today in this video email marketing channel, and I believe that this is the #1 channel that everybody should use. The first thing you should do is start building your list, because it's the cheapest. You can get the most revenue from it, most return on investment, and it's one of my favorites. We use a lot of them. So anyway, Craig from LeadScripts, and I'll catch you next time.